Assalamu alaikum. Today I am inspecting this bus. The type of the bus is Sunwing rear engine, and I'm going to inspect on the major components to see the condition and to see whether we need to replace any of them. So to help you understand, this is a common rail injection system. Here we have you can see the ECM. The ECM is there. So the ECM controls the amount of diesel we need to put in the car depending on the throttle. Depending on the throttle body. So this is our throttle. Throttle will open and the computer will respond to the amount of air that goes to the engine, and it will give the correspondent ratio of diesel. So to check the belt should turn a quarter turn. You have to turn a quarter turn for the belt to check its tension. Tension is okay. Check the inside port is okay. The inside wheel is okay. The belt is okay. This is the fan belt. It's also okay. But in this case, it's not generalized a fan belt, because when we check, the fan belt is connected here. This drives the fan. So this we can check it as the water pump and the alternator drive belt, because it drives the water pump and the drive belt. So here we have this is the crankshaft pickup sensor, and this is the camshaft sensor, and this one is the oil pressure sensor. So here comes the current sensor. So I have some leakage here on the cap. Hopefully I have, yes, I have some leakage on the oil cap. It may need to replace the seal. I'll check. Okay, check on the rubber seal. The seal needs to be replaced. It's leaking. And when you check on this fan belt, when I give you example, when you check on this belt, the belt is up on the groove. Understand? The belt there is okay. But when you check on this belt, it is under the groove, meaning it has worn out. And when you check on each side here, it shows some scratches on the side. So this belt will be, with this the fan belts, we shall need to replace them. They are worn out. They are going inside the pulley. So this is very dangerous. When the belt goes inside the pulley, it has worn out. So I have to report this, and we make a change of the belts, hopefully. Yes. The steering oil is on level. Good. In this car we have the fire extinguisher in case we have fire. It will just blow out and cut off the fire here. So hopefully, yes. That's it. So this one is the starter cut-off switch. When you open the hood, the starter motor will not start. So it's a protective switch. When you close the boot, it closes, and when you open the hood, it automatically off, so it cuts off power from the starter motor for your protection. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscription bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Whenever I upload a video, you'll be able to see. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.